We are traveling out west for our 2-week camping trip. Then we got some bad news that left us stranded in Oklahoma. Luckily, we were able to turn it into an amazing weekend. Good morning, everybody. It is pretty early. Actually, it's not anymore. We should have been out of here by now. But we have a long drive ahead of us, but nothing we have not done before. Right now we're at Chick-fil-A we need a little breakfast snack at Chick-fil-A.
And the line's already long, as always.
Yeah, it's 6:52. So yeah.
I think we've got, how many hours to our destination?
14.
Yeah, we got about 14 hours to our first destination.
Mm-hmm.
Ready?
Mm-hmm.
I'm ready.
We're ready.
We're ready. Let's do this. So guys, we have a little bit of a problem. We were driving in Oklahoma, had to get off the main interstate because they were doing construction. It took a back road and all the roads are flooded. Well, along the way, a lot of moisture or water was getting on the exhaust and it broke off the exhaust manifold here. And this is Ryan.
What's going on, guys?
With Shakota. And these guys, Shakota, is it mechanics or auto?
Auto repair.
Auto repair. Shakota Auto Repair, and these guys are really helping us out. And this is what happened. Let me see here. Yeah. So it lost all the power. It wasn't driving very well. It made a lot of loud noise. And we're without a vehicle till Tuesday? Wednesday?
Wednesday.
So we've got to find a rental car. And Kelly's in there right now. We're going to leave this with them, hopefully. And I got a good feeling we're gonna do a good job.
Okay, so we did find a car. We're going to Enterprise in Tulsa, I think.
Broken Arrow.
Okay, but we want to thank these guys here for helping us out because they have helped us call rent-a-car places and finding the parts. So we really appreciate it, guys.
And we're gonna make sure to put all their information in the bottom of this vlog so that if you're ever broken down here, you know exactly who to go to because these guys are amazing. Thank y'all so much. So the rains have finally went away and the whole entire area is flooded.
And apparently this is a common occurrence.
Yeah.
Springtime.
Ron, right?
Yes.
Yeah, Ron here is a storm chaser in his part-time. He goes chasing tornadoes, hail, bad weather, and has invited us to go storm chasing with him sometime. So we're gonna really think about that. That'd be an awesome vlog, I think.
That would be a good vlog.
So guys, we got a RAV4, Toyota RAV4, but we're still trying to figure out what we're gonna do. We don't have a clue yet. We're toying with the idea of going to a salvage yard to see if we can get a part, because the part that we're wanting is supposed to be coming from Springfield, Missouri, but they're not going to be getting it till, when was it, Kelly?
Monday or Tuesday.
Monday or Tuesday. And we are thinking if they're open tomorrow, I might just drive this to Springfield, Missouri and pick up the part. Don't know yet, so we're going to see. But right now we just left Broken Arrow, Oklahoma, and we're heading back south. It was about an hour and 20-minute drive. We're heading back south to that auto shop and see what we can find out about those options. So we'll see you in a minute.
So it's not far out of town?
You can take our reservation. It's just, So you heard the Hummer. Not only does it sound loud, it's also has no power at all. So they're gonna get that fixed for us, but we found an amazing campground east of here about 2 hours where it's warm, not rainy, and it might be some cool stuff to see.
Hello everyone. So we are on our way to Red Rock Canyon Adventure Center. It is a campground and it's a climbing center, so if you rock climb, apparently this is a really good spot to go to. They have a hiking trail we're going to try tomorrow. It's west of Oklahoma City, so we're traveling from, what's the name of that town? Chakota, and then we're going through Oklahoma City, and then it'll be on the outside of Oklahoma City. So we're going to go stay there for the weekend. This is Friday. And we can hopefully, fingers crossed, the part will come in Monday morning and they can install it. But Ron and the guys up there are super nice. They're going to text us and let us know. They already sent us a tracking number, so as soon as they get it, they're going to let us know.
Here it is.
Chakota. It's either Chakota or Chakota.
Yeah.
I'm not sure.
How do I look driving the RAV4, everybody? Is this a RAV4?
Yeah, it is.
Is it a RAV4? I don't even know what I'm driving.
Downside, all of our stuff did not fit in here, so we just took what we needed for the couple of days that we were going to be out here.
It's just not me.
It's not. It's really
me.
not.
I need some beef.
Anyway, I guess we're going to go ahead and call it a night because it will probably be dark. It's 7 o'clock. Probably have another hour till we get there. So we will see you in the morning. Morning, everybody. We slept really good last night. Got a little rain right now, but it's supposed to go away in about an hour.
Guys, like we were driving and we went through because I know we didn't tell y'all what happened.
Oh yeah, I guess we should say that.
So what happened is we were going down I-40 and they're doing construction where they're pushing everybody off the interstate. And we had to get off and go through this town. Well, there was no drainage in this town. And we're falling behind all these vehicles, and it's just got a ton of water just piling up in the middle of the street. Flood situation everywhere. So we go through a big water puddle. Not a puddle, a pond. And water's like coming up to the door. And we were like, what's that sound?
And it started sounding kind of weird. And I was like, oh, maybe water just, blah, blah, blah. Then we hit another one. A
big one.
And came out of that, and it was that noise. That's what it sounded like, and we were looking at each other like,
what just happened? Manifold coming out of the engine. It's old, corroded, has a lot of issues with it, and it was going to break sooner or later. Well, what happened was so hot that cold water hit it, and right when it hit it, it caused it to crack and just disconnect. Well, then oxygen and fuel and all that was coming around the top of it and bypassing the O2 sensor, and that's what's caused the problem with it not having any power, because it wasn't regulating the O2 sensor, or regulating the fuel mixture properly. And then the noise is because, well, we don't have an exhaust attached to the engine anymore, because what does a muffler do? It muffles the sound.
And it's just the smell. You could just smell the fumes, like,
yeah,
it's bad.
But there's a little update for everything. I'm sure we'll have to cut a lot of that out because I rambled. But we're just letting y'all know. We got to go to the front and pay for our campsite. So we'll catch y'all in a little bit. Just paid for 3 days. I think we're going to stay here till Monday. And Monday? Yeah. And total $37.42. You cannot beat that. That is some good pricing. But I want y'all to check this little drive out from where we left to where we're going. Guys, I got some moisture on the lens, sorry, but this is pretty sweet. So we're gonna do some hiking around here today. My lens keeps looking wet, but we're gonna do some hiking around here today and about to cook some breakfast, right, Kelly?
Yeah.
What are we cooking?
So I'm obsessed with all that backpacking food that I got. So I'm making the Nutella and the dried baby bananas quesadillas again.
That's gonna be delicious.
We are starting our hike at the Canyon Ridge hiking trail. And I believe this trail follows all along the top of the ridge, and we're camping down in that canyon. So this will be pretty cool. Let's go check it out. Hello. Just enjoying my time.
It feels so nice to be clean, especially after being sopping wet in the rain all day yesterday. We're just relaxing, and we're about to cook that delicious
Philly
cheesesteaks. Ready to do it? I'm starving. Let's do this. Good. Oh, it's delicious. So good. Right here, we have some kettle chips with it. And if you've never had a peace tea, peace teas are peaceful. Peacefully good. They're delicious.
We're ending our afternoon up here at this cute little camp social is what it's called. It's closed, but we are actually editing this video for you. So we needed to hook up to electrical outlet, plug in the computer. So that's what we're gonna do tonight. And we will see you guys in the morning, and it will be a beautiful sunny day.
It will be. You don't have to cross your fingers. The weatherman said so.
I know.
So you probably do need to cross your fingers.
All right, we'll see y'all tomorrow.
See you in the morning.
beautiful today and not a cloud in the sky. And the place just looks so different with the sun. You know, just things look different when the sun's out. It looks better.
It sure does. This campground, guys, the showers are good.
Yeah, it's coin operated showers, but we both showered with like what, $2?
Yeah.
I only put $2 in. We both got, I had to wash my hair twice. I mean, like, it was fine.
Yeah, 6 minutes per dollar is what they said. So good pressure. Bathrooms are nice. Everything's
6 minutes per dollar.
or is it 6 minutes per dollar? Yeah, and everything's nice with the bathroom situation. And the campground that we're in, because they have 3 sections, we're in the canyon campground area is where we're at. So this is actually the first place you come in.
This is the only tent camping ground that does a loop and goes out.
So it's a nice place. We suggest it to anybody. Red Rock Canyon Adventure Park, but it's actually a state park, we found out. So
yeah, especially if you're a rock climber, which we hadn't seen any rock climbers.
no, and a lot of rappelling. So
yeah.
you're allowed to rappel off of all these rocks.
There'll be signs where you can't rappel, but anything else you're allowed to rappel. So that'd be kind of cool to camp right here, and then you could just rock climb right here by your tent, you know.
Yeah. So we're about to make what Kelly made when we were kayak camping on Lake
But
Washita.
let me show you what I've already done here. So since we were supposed to be on the road and it was supposed to be like quick breakfast, I just kind of went ahead and pre-bagged everything.
What?
Mixed it all
You
up.
wrote it down?
Yeah.
That's too cool.
And then I bought these super cheap at Walmart, just easy cleanup. I guess you could use them as mugs or bowls. But I just got these just to put the...
Oh, the handle kind of wraps around right there. Clips. Okay, I'll buy that for $1.
Yeah.
So what are you doing? Just a cup?
Yep. Cup of water.
That should work out just nicely.
I think mine has more fruit in it.
Well, I can have yours.
No.
And just let that set and...
You gotta stir it around though.
We ain't honey.
Nope.
See guys, she always forgets something.
It's not that I forgot it, we just don't have any.
Okay, I'll let her slide, just because I love her. It should be good.
We're getting ready to leave camp and we're gonna go on a little drive, hour and a half south from here.
To Wichita. It's called Medicine Park. It's called Medicine Park. We've had a lot of people here tell us about it, and we already had it flagged to go visit one day. It's just crazy. Everybody here keeps telling us, you gotta go see this place. And it's also called the Wichita Mountain Wilderness or Wildlife Refuge. And there is a wilderness there as well called North Mountain Wilderness Area. So we're about to head down there, and it is exactly this location. Hour and 38 minutes.
All right, so we're gonna get on the road.
We have made it. Beautiful scenery on the way. This place is breathtaking.
It is blowing me away. I keep feeling like I'm either in New Mexico, California. We just passed a bunch of rock formations that are identical except for the color to Joshua Tree's rock formations. And the smell, the wildflowers, it's just...
Yeah, look at the rocks that are right behind me right now, if you can see that. Dude, why has nobody ever told us about this place?
Okay.
Some fun little facts that I learned a while back when I originally wanted to come to this place. This is one of the oldest mountain ranges in the world. The Rockies are only 50 million years old. Ouachita's are 300 million years old. These are, no, 500 million years old, I think. But these predate all those by a lot. Don't remember the date. So it was about like a year ago whenever I actually looked this stuff up. I mean, guys, this is just way too cool. This place is packed. Of course, so is every state. Cattle guards. I love cattle guards. They're so freaking cool. We're talking about putting some in our driveway. I really want some. But, and I'm not joking. I really think they're cool.
We're gonna hike a trail. We don't even know where it is, where it goes. There's different spurs, but it's down to Osage Lake. It's not very far, so maybe 3 miles around.
Yeah, it's one of the few trails that we found open so far.
Yeah. Oh, this is better view here, eh? This could be a cool hike.
Oh man, this is gorgeous.
So far this trail is pretty awesome. It's a loop around the lake. We figured out there's different spurs you can take. You can either go away from the lake or you can go close to it. So we're close to it and the view is, it's really cool. And these are the rocks I'm talking about that we saw at Joshua Tree. Not that, but the round boulders. Well, that's a dam over there, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
We're about to head up over there.
So we're going to continue on and go that way and see what we can see.
Here, hold this. Wow, that is a gorgeous lizard. Dude, if anybody knows the name of this lizard, please tell us. Wow, that's a cool freaking lizard.
Let's try to get away from it.
Yeah, it might attack me.
There's cactus right behind your butt, so be careful. That's a big bunch of them.
Okay. Wow, that is the coolest. We're back at the RAV4. About to take our shoes off, cool off, and get some water and see what else we can get into.
I think we're on Medicine Park, right?
Yeah. Let me tell y'all what. That did not disappoint. That
No.
was so freaking cool.
That was awesome.
Oh man, oh that was awesome. Wow, that was awesome. So, what are you doing, barefooting?
I got shoes in the front.
All right then. Let's get some water and let's see what we're going to get into next, guys. So we're in Medicine Park, Oklahoma, right outside of the wilderness, Wichita Mountain Wilderness, and we are going to the Riverside Café, and it looks delicious. Guess what I have? Chips and salsa. My favorite. And that's good.
So, of course, we already started digging in, but we got fried fish, hush puppies, french fries, and it came with tartar sauce.
What is that? Let me try that.
It's a french fry. You have french fries.
That's good tartar sauce. And guys, I saw those bisons earlier, so I got myself a bison burger. I've already dug into it. And I got mushrooms and Swiss cheese. So Kelly really wanted some ice cream. And where are we going? Cobblestone Creamery. So we're going to get some ice cream and then we're going to go back to camp, I think is the game plan. This is some amazing stuff. I have pecan peanut butter. Is that what I got?
Buttered pecan.
I got buttered pecan. It's delicious, and she got birthday cake with Oreos in it.
We're living our best life right now.
Yeah, I mean, I couldn't be any happier. But we're gonna eat this on the drive. We got an 1.5-hour drive back to the camp at Red Rock Canyon. So we will see you back when we get to camp.
Made it back to camp. We are full, and we're gonna take a shower and go to bed.
And we're tired.
Yeah. So, if you want to follow us up on our next one, we will catch you up with whether we get the truck back, when we get the truck back, and where our next stop is.
Yeah. But if you like this vlog, make sure you give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, and subscribe. And we will catch you on the other.
See you next time.